about the noise. It's the electric fan. Johnny Victor, hello. Hi, Anthea. Iman Mishra, hello. Okay, bye. I love you, baby. I love you more. Wanna see you fully. Oh my goodness. Your armpit, baby. Oh my gosh, my armpit now is so disgusting. Start dancing and you will be alright. Hi, Mr. Shororo. Thank you so much, Mr. Danny. Please hello, Roland. How are you? He, sorry, guys. It's so I'm blurred there, right? I don't have a good connection. Hello, 2 million people here. Hello, 15 million people here. Right here. Greetings from Netherlands. Oh my gosh, Mr. Pascal Martins. Shout out to you. Hello there in Netherlands. In a beautiful country. Netherlands. Netherlands. Mag-live lang ako dyan saglit lang and then oh wait, I'm gonna check. Baka nanigas na ito. Nanigas sa kainit sa panahon. Yes, very nice. Very nice country. Ananda Yuda TV. Hello, my friend. Do you have chocolate? Thank you so much. Ever been to Netherlands? No. I'm just seeing it to the video. Someone going there. I don't know if you know Meldrin Solon. She's a vlogger and I watched her video. She's been there in Netherlands. Maybe last November, I guess. Should do one time in life. Oh my gosh. I don't have budget to travel. In my dream. In my dream, maybe yes. But in real life, maybe I can't go there. Busan boy, hello, darling. How are you? Thank you for visiting my life. Greetings from Netherlands. Netherlands. Never your dreams come true. Yeah, but you know, I didn't expect because when you expect something, you get hurt. So never expect something. I never expect.